I'm drawing a line 5/8 of an inch from the top all the way around. And I'll draw a 45-degree line from this corner up there on all sides. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now to cut this on my bandsaw, I need it tipped at 45-degree angle, so I just cut a board to a 45-degree, and I'm just going to hold it on there like that. Now I need to make those 45-degree cuts, and I'm just going to freehand it. So here's what you want to end up with. You want to have your holes pretty large, fairly visible, and nice 45-degree cuts. I'm using my disc sander to make a flat side on a 3/8 inch dowel. And I'm cutting these into 4 little pieces. So these